Greetings, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Vinyl TV. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. Thank you very much indeed for stopping by. Thank you very much indeed for clicking. I want to show you what I ordered. I ordered stuff, okay, from which this is mini wireless keyboard. Okay, so we're going to unbox this stuff. This is what we ordered. So basically this is Rii, okay, model LT MWK01. Okay, this is mini wireless keyboard. This is mini wireless keyboard. Very light. This is very small and beautiful. So it's just keyboard. So this is the power cable. Want to see how this work. From the information pack, mini multimedia wireless. This is mini wireless keyboard. Okay, to set this up we need to open this section here. Okay, in this section you take this off and plug it to your PC. This goes to your okay, so this is right now. Plug this on. So this is, use this, go back. As you can see, this is working. Go to window, click enter. Okay, and if you want to type what you want, please. Okay, and use this arrow and search, click enter. So this is how to use this mini wireless keyboard. Okay, and if you want to go back, Okay, this is capital. So this is mini wireless keypad Rii. Okay, if you wanna go back, you can use your finger to select, close it, you go back, you can see how the mouse is moving. Okay, you see, this is beautiful stuff. Go back and search what you want to search. Click window. Okay, and then you go to the email, click enter. So this is my email address. Okay, and if you want to delete, select. Okay, everything here, click delete. Okay, so this is how to use this mini keypad. It's very nice and beautiful. So with this, you can actually do a lot of work with this mini pad without touching your PC. Okay, if we go to YouTube channel, and it's very fast. So this is mini keypad. Click enter. Okay, go to Vinyl TV Studio. Okay, this is my channel. So this is the mini keypad, and this is, I ordered this from online, Rii, and this is the USB cable. This keypad came with. This is the USB cable. So this is quite handy and beautiful stuff. So you turn this off and on from here. So the USB cable goes in here. Okay, and the other section you plug into the PC. Okay, and be able to use this. This is the mini keypad. You can have this. Have it this way and work on your PC. Okay, so this is without you touching the laptop. Okay, this is the benefit of this little gear. It's very nice, and you can actually type what you want to type. Excellent. Okay, once you type excellent. Okay, this is, you can also change it from cap to mini. You can change it from capital letter to small. You can see if you look over here, the PC. Okay, you see this is small, capital letter and small. Okay, you can also click 1, 2, 3. So this is the mini keypad, exactly what is here. Okay, okay, this is the mini keypad. Exactly what is here is what in this mini keypad. It's very handy, very beautiful stuff. Okay, and this is the packaging. This is product mini wireless keyboard 2.4 receiver adapter, micro USB charging cable. Okay, so this is the charging cable. Okay, this is very handy. Okay, very nice. So with this you can type into your PC and it work. It's wireless. You don't need to touch the iPad or the PC. You can be in your bed and typing or controlling your TV. Only what you need to do is to take this, okay, and connect it to your PC or to your TV, and it will work. Okay, it will recognize it. You turn this on and off from here. This is the benefit of this Rii Mini Keypad. Very nice, economical and affordable. Okay, very brilliant stuff. Also with soft touch. Okay, this is soft touch. Put your finger here and it will do the job. If you check the laptop, it's moving. Okay, you see the cursor moving from the laptop. Okay, thank you very much indeed. And this is nice gear, Rii wireless keyboard. Thank you.